Ever wonder if the Abrahamic faiths are all pointing to the same God? That's the powerful idea we're exploring.
So, let's just ask it directly. Do these scriptures actually speak of the same God? It's a huge question.
And you know, the Qur'an offers a really direct and, well, powerful answer to that.
Just listen to this. Our God and your God is one. This one line is the key to the whole concept. And the implication there is massive. It's meant to be a unifying bridge between these faiths. It's saying the God of the Torah, the Gospel, and the Qur'an is the exact same creator.
So the point is, the basic message didn't change. The core belief stayed exactly the same.
Instead, this message was just delivered again and again through a long line of shared prophets.
And for every single one of them, the call to humanity was identical. No exceptions.
That call was simple. Worship the one God, and only that one God. No partners, no equals.
This concept has a name: pure monotheism, the idea that all real revelation points to one truth.
So it really all boils down to this single, unifying idea. One God for all of us.
Which leaves us with a final thought. How could this idea of a shared message impact interfaith talks today?
وَإِلَٰهُكُمْ إِلَٰهٌ وَاحِدٌ لَا إِلَٰهَ إِلَّا هُوَ الرَّحْمَٰنُ الرَّحِيمُ